So if you want to learn how to use Rakuten for online shopping in 2026, yeah, this is the full beginner-friendly guide to help you shop and earn cashback at the same time. First, sign into your Rakuten account on the app, website, or browser extension. Next, search for the store or product you want to buy like Amazon or clothing stores. Now click on the cashback offer before you start shopping. Next, always click Activate Cashback so Rakuten can track your purchase properly. Now shop like normal and complete checkout on the store's website. Make sure you don't switch devices or tabs too much during checkout. After purchasing, check your cashback status in your Rakuten account. If cashback doesn't appear, make sure cookies are enabled and ad blockers are off. Finally, once confirmed, Rakuten will send your payment through PayPal or check. And that's it. That's how you use Rakuten for online shopping step by step in 2026.